Hello and welcome to this 5-minute self-love morning meditation. If you don't know me already, I'm Sam Morris. I am an empowered dating coach who has been helping people heal from toxic relationships and rewire their nervous system for the past 10 years. And if you have not yet downloaded your self-love blueprint, I will pop the link below so that you can get access to that. So starting off, I invite you to take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. And as you continue to breathe, notice how your shoulders soften, how your chest opens, and how this simple act of breathing already starts to heal your nervous system. Each inhale bringing you into the present, and each exhale letting go of anything that doesn't belong to you today. You might notice your heartbeat calm, steady, reminding you that you are always supported in every moment of your life. Now I invite you to imagine a golden light forming in the center of your chest. And with every breath, that light expands, softly spreading through your body, wrapping you in safety, in peace, in quiet confidence. The light represents your self-worth, the deep knowing inside your body that says, I am enough exactly as I am. And I invite you to say that out loud. I am enough exactly as I am. And as you feel that truth resonating through every cell of your body will now remember it. Because you are it. Now, repeat after me, silently or out loud, and feel these words going deeply within you. I am only available for love that honors me. Every cell in my body aligns with relationships that respect my energy and my heart. I release all attachment to what doesn't feel safe. From this moment forward, I attract only calm, consistent love. And as you say these words, imagine that light getting brighter, anchoring these new truths into your subconscious mind. Your body is beginning to recognize what love feels like, what safety feels like, what self-respect feels like. And your nervous system is learning this new pattern, a pattern of peace, a pattern of love that honors you for being you. Now picture yourself, maybe a few months from now, standing in front of a mirror, smiling. This version of you is confident. They are magnetic, they are grounded and certain, and they no longer entertain anyone that drains them. They no longer negotiate their worthiness because they know that they are only available for love that honors them. And now imagine stepping into them, feeling their confidence, their breath, their peace. It's already yours. You are now just remembering who you've always been. And so take one last deep breath in and breathe it all out fully. Place your hand over your heart and whisper, I am only available for love that honours me. And as you move through your day, notice how people, opportunities and energy begin to match this new standard, because your energy leads the way. You've just reminded your body, your subconscious, your soul, what you deserve. And today is the starting point that you rise. You are loved by yourself. You are honoured by yourself. And you are free. I'm Sam Morris. This has been your 5-minute self-love morning meditation. If you found this useful, I invite you to download the self-love blueprint. I will put the link below, and I will see you very soon.